Hi, welcome back, and for those who are new, I am Varuni Mahajan from Firefly Links. We all want to look beautiful and pretty while we are traveling, yet we don't want to be burdened with a big suitcase, with a lot of luggage. So, I'm going to share with you today a DIY necklace which I did for myself, which could be used in 4 different ways. Yes, 4 different ways. This jewelry set can be themed with 4 outfits for 4 days and in 4 different ways. So let's begin. Also, before starting my DIY process with you, I wanted you to know that this necklace is a super easy necklace, and any jewelry craftsman can do it very easily. And if you are not a jewelry craftsman, you can always approach a person who is adept at making jewelry. These kind of craftsmen are easily found in India, and they are very cheap. All you need for this DIY is a string of Kundan and some findings, the details of which I'm going to share with you in the DIY process. So let's begin. how it is made. The materials required for this would be So this is how the 3-in-1 DIY set is made. I hope you liked it. You can carry it in a very small pouch in your purse and take it anywhere you're traveling. Now come on over with me to see how it can be teamed with 4 different outfits in 4 different ways. I am super excited. Are you? Must be. Let's go. If you found my video interesting and informative and educative, do like my video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. I will see you next week again with a new DIY or a new video with a new idea. Till then, take care.